In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix your USB device not recognized on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. So head to your search and search for control panel and click on it. Now go ahead to this category and change it to large icons. Now here you want to go ahead and look for power options and click on it. Now head over to change when the computer sleeps. Now change advanced power settings. Make this visible. Then you want to scroll down and under USB settings, go ahead and expand it. Now head to this USB selective suspend settings and disable it just like so. Now apply and click OK. So for the second method, go to your file and this PC. Now go to your local disk, Windows, and scroll down until you see INF and open it. Now search for WPDM until you see this particular one right here. Go ahead and install, and operation completed successfully. Okay, so now head to your start and restart your computer. Now for this method, head to your search and type in disk partition. So once this comes up, click on it. Now head over to your main, that selects your actual USB drive and change disk letter. Now click on assign and click OK. So change the letter and yes. Now it recognizes a new drive. Now for this method, head to your search and type in device manager. Click on it and head over to universal serial box, that's universal serial box controller. Head over to standard enhanced PCI to USB host controller. Now search automatically for drivers. It shows you have the best available. Now update driver, browse my computer. Next, it says the best is still available. Okay, now go ahead and go to your search again and head to device manager. Now you want to go ahead and head to universal serial box and go to that same controller and uninstall device. Uninstall, and then you close it and you restart your computer PC. Thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one. Peace.